Hello everybody, my name is Yuri and I'm with Funnel Insiders. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to structure a Facebook local lead generation campaign on Facebook ads. This video is not going to go over anything to do with the actual creative development, ad set targeting, or anything else. It's not going to go over landing pages, what type of landing page you need to use, what type of assessment you should use, etc. I have other videos for that. I'm only going to be going over what to do and how to structure your campaigns using campaign budget optimization and dynamic ads. To start, weeks 1 and 2 should be at about a $50 a day budget. Now, this depends on your budget. It really can be anything you'd like. The more expensive, the more you would pay, the faster you'll get your results from your test. And in this example, I'm only showing you 3 ad sets. You can have as many ad sets here as you'd like. Keep in mind, 3 is really a good number if you're running a $50 a day campaign. If you want to have more of these ad sets, you want to increase your budget. So the more ad sets, you need to increase your budget to allow Facebook the breathing room in order for it to optimize. We're going to start with the campaign budget optimization. Okay, campaign budget optimization is a toggle that you'll have on every new campaign. I recommend starting with website conversion campaigns. Now I have a whole other video outlining all the details on the campaign setup and structure. For the sake of example, I'm just going to give you a broad overview of what the structure of a local lead generation campaign should look like and what to do to scale. Weeks 1 and 2, again, $50 a day budget. You're going to have 3 ad sets in here for this example, and each ad set is going to have open targeting. Again, I have another video in the description. You'll find what it means to have open targeting. We're going to have dynamic ads. Each one of these dynamic ads will contain 10 images and up to 5 copies. Now, keep the copy the same across each one of these tests. We're testing images first. I want to know which image is going to produce the most visually appealing results, the best CTR all, the best CTR link click price, and the best view content price. I'm looking strictly at the images. So I want to have anywhere from 2 to 5 copies, all of them the same across all of these dynamic ads. Okay, these are going to be the same targeting. Everything in here is the same targeting, same copy. The difference is to images. I'm going to split test my images against my copy. It's going to generate the winning ad in weeks 1 to 2. Now this winning ad, you can find the ad ID in my other video, which I have in the description. You can watch a video on how to obtain the ad ID of this winning ad. Now, you can go back and retest the winning ad image against new copy as well, and just repeat this process. So instead of weeks 1 to 2, you'll see weeks 3 to 4. In general, you're going to take your winning ad and you're going to put it on new ad sets, and we're going to start testing audiences. So we're going to do one ad set with open targeting, one ad set with audience 1, and one ad set with audience 3. This is also campaign budget optimization, but it's a new campaign. We're going to take the winning ad and we're going to put it into these new ad sets. Each ad set will have one ad. Now again, if we want to redo the test, we can always redo the test, but if you want to get more copy, etc. But in general, what we want to do is we want to take the winning ad and plug it into the different ad set, different targets on the ad set. So now we're testing the different audience targets and audience placements with our winning ad, because now we know this ad works. We can rule out anything that will say, well, maybe the ad's not good or a copy's not good, etc. We already know this ad is a winning ad because it already has proven itself in our first or second test. We take that ad, plug it in. Now we want to test audiences. We want to test placements, devices, etc. And let Facebook figure it out with open targeting. Then we can also test different types of audiences. So you can start layering in different interests, layering in different behaviors, etc. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it clears up how to structure your Facebook local lead generation campaigns. Keep in mind, this works really well if you're trying to do something like HVAC leads, plumbing leads, anything like that. Please like my channel, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave comments if you have additional questions or want additional videos made. Thank you for watching.